Damn, already had the ear tools on. I'm ready to get into this bitch. Hey, yo, man, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy, host, Rex Guy, Dragon Squad, bitch! Back here with another reaction, and today we here with the Saints going up against the Vikings, man. Excuse me, I'm going for the Vikings. Now, this will be my first Viking game of this 2017-2018 season that I'm reacting to. So I don't know I don't even know what to expect, bro. But I'm going for the Vikings, bro. I do not want to see the Saints in the playoffs, man. I don't want them bad memories to come back, bro. Drew Brees is that guy, bro. He is that GOAT. Vikings, please stop him. Please stop this man. He's going on a rampage. Ear to spectacles. Let's run this hell, bro. Let's get it. They'll say it was good to you too. Yeah, I just say that, bro. I be tweaking sometime, bro. Damn. You got one highlight, then you got a punt. Sherrills will try to return. Get off me. Looking for blocks. I'm gone. He's gone. He's gone. Kicker said, no, bitch. Kicker said, I kicked that, nigga. Oh, man. Punter said, hell no. You low-key take an L if you get tackled by a punter, bro. Like if you get clipped by him, like if he grabs you with his arm and shit like that, then you alright. But if you get full-fledged tackled, bro, you suck.
Third down and 3, extra men on the rush. Keenum floats right. Jarius right out of bounds near the 15.
Oh, shit.
Toss to McKinnon. Jarek McKinnon gets a block for the touchdown. And what a block by Riley Reef.
What's he doing? Hell's going on? What the fuck is y'all niggas doing? I don't.
Third down and 3. Breeze well protected. Throws incomplete for Hill, the tight end.
You didn't really have any contribution on that play, bro. Relax.
Slips up, throws, finds Diggs.
Jesus.
And more.
The way he got around your ass.
On first down, Keenum steps up, launches, Diggs downfield, another flag.
You see the out and up, he takes the inside, and
he tripped though, low key, but
really see enough there.
Pass interference.
First of all, he grabbing his arm. He grabbing his arm and he tripped.
First down.
It looked to me like Diggs had a hold of his arm.
Yeah.
That's where they go. Rudolph off his hands. No flag. Keenum.
Come on! Come on, man! Come on, dude!
4 back. 20. 10-0. To convert here. Ingram.
Sit down, Ingram.
Well played. Kendrick's first in.
Yeah, their defense is kind of lethal though. I've been hearing the Jaguars had the best defense, and I've been hearing these people had the best defense. Who has the best defense, bro?
And a 2 in the NFL.
No deep shots yet.
Hell no. Right now, here we go. He snagged that bitch out of the air. Hell no.
I have tremendous respect for.
2nd and 8. Pass over the middle. It's caught. First of the day for Thielen.
Thielen. What kind of name is Thielen? Huh.
Keenum has this year.
Here's one to Thielen. What a catch up to grab it for a first down. 3rd down and 8. Keenum all day. Throws back across the middle of the field, and it's Diggs for a first down.
Shit, Diggs. Diggs!
End zone pass.
You caught it?
Michael Floyd. That ball popped out when he hit the ground.
That nigga like,
First and goal.
Nani?
Right side, bouncing.
Got it.
Down Minnesota.
Oh, that was nice though. That nigga still standing. he low-key really did it to his ass. He low-key really petrified him. Oh hell no. Yeah, I think the Saints had like hella injuries last game or some shit, and he still won. Come on, bro. Don't do that. Come on, bro. On there.
Just got it away. The pass is caught by Kamara. What a catch and a run for a first down.
To Kamara.
Nice to have a guy like that if you're a quarterback.
2nd and 9. That ball's tipped and picked. Anthony Barr back the other way.
Damn. That wasn't your fault, Breeze.
Who got a hand on it.
He did.
That's Griffin.
And with his back to the ball, he just threw up his right hand and
that nigga was looking at the Megatron. The shit. What that shit called? The big screen. He was up there looking at the big screen.
See the end of this, and it might have been a
I said Megatron, nigga.
horse collar at the end of this play.
3 timeouts for New Orleans.
Breeze, what you got? You finna go all like this, Breeze?
Is caught by Ginn along the sideline. Good throw. Good catch.
It's up big on that play.
Doesn't matter much now as Breeze is going to go down. Ball is out. Recovered by the Saints, but Everson Griffin got there and knocked it out. 2nd and 16, setting up a screen for Kamara. Good blocking and a first down at the 50.
That nigga helmet came off, boy. Oh, that shit was.
Over the middle, pass caught Thomas. And Michael
Damn.
Thomas.
Damn. Fuck. He got lit. Lit. Damn, from the logo. From the logo.
He pulled it. No good. 3rd down and 4. Keenum backs up and down he goes, and a big sack for New Orleans. Play is made by the big man in the middle.
They're getting busted. Y'all getting busted.
3rd and a short 2. Breeze needs it. Pass is low. What a good catch by Willie Snead. 2nd down and 10 now. Breeze. End zone. Has a man. Touchdown. Michael Thomas.
Why am I clapping? Not going for y'all. So why you saying shush is your first touch? He just slanging that bitch. Give me that cookies.
He stepped out of bounds, but now a takeaway. Just got it away. Pass is bobbled and caught by the tight end Josh.
He out here lighting niggas up.
Fake toss, pass caught, touchdown Saints.
Yeah.
Michael Thomas. And the second-year.
Why did I say good job? Oh my god.
Saints went right down and scored a touchdown.
Play action from Keenum. Pass is floated for Wright. What a throw and catch.
Good job, Wright.
This is going to be a double pass. Snead throws, pass.
Damn, you overthrew it, Snead. God damn.
With him in the protection.
You let that motherfucker fly for real.
There, the pass is caught by Diggs. First down and
Diggs.
big play on. Pass to the sideline.
Damn.
Pass intended for Thielen and no flag.
That nigga so mad.
Is there in coverage.
That it's only a balance of motion. If it's that
Oh man, that nigga about to turn into a school shooter.
This one's blocked.
Oh really? Damn.
At the 40, a third-string quarterback came in and blocked it right
What?
at the foot of Ryan Quigley. That's his first block of the year.
They put a third-string
Special teams a few weeks back late in the season, and he gets a jump off the ball and.
Oh no, it was Johnson. Hill off the edge and Johnson up the middle. And I don't know if Quigley had to avoid Taysom Hill.
Yeah, he did.
Johnson getting the left hand up.
Yeah.
And what a play
of the season, and he makes a huge play back there.
The fucking third string, like yes, yes. I will only be remembered for this moment.
Off his spot, the pass is
Okay.
now
Okay. Oh hey. Oh my. Oh my.
End zone. Pass is caught for the touchdown.
Damn.
Kamara.
Disney canceling all Marvel cartoons. Yeah, good shit. But damn. Them niggas said we just focus on that cinematic. We just focus on that universe, my guy.
With the skills of Alvin Kamara.
Kicking the shit out of that man.
As good as
Low snap.
Oh shit, the Saints took the lead. Hold on, Keenum, come on. The fly. Oh! Okay. Oh my. Oh my.
That penalty is declined.
knocking himself
That nigga
out.
went straight for his ass, bro. You gay. Come on, Keenum.
This for the lead. Forbath. He got it.
Come on, stop Breeze. Stop Breeze.
Underneath pass caught. That's the tight end Hill. Breeze pass caught. Snead.
My nigga, oh fuck, he going GOAT mode. Drew Brees is going GOAT mode right now. He's going GOAT mode.
Gets it. Carries it. Doesn't get anything.
That's the same shit they fucking did to us, bro. Fuck, I ain't trying to see that. I ain't trying to feel that again. I'm not trying to feel that again, bro.
That is own guys move. First and 15. Pass to Diggs.
All right.
Down. They got to use a timeout, I would think.
He like, whose man's? He like, whose man's? You trying to make sure your ass was in up.
Steps into it. Pass is caught.
Oh shit!
Touchdown! Unbelievable! Vikings win it.
Damn, Breeze. Fuck. That nigga Breeze like, one more play? What the fuck? What the fuck?
Really what he's thinking, Joe. He comes in, he's got him dialed in, and he just always got
That nigga missed. That nigga choked. He whipped the whole tackle. He hit the square button too soon. That's gonna be the title of this video. When you hit the square button too early. That's exactly what happened. Y'all guys know how y'all guys know what I'm talking about in Madden. Damn, bruh. Boy ass got finesse, boy ass got finesse. That was wild, bruh. That was crazy, bruh. Last time I seen some shit like that was when Tebow, y'all guys remember when Tebow let that bitch fly. You remember when he let that jank fly? He didn't really let it fly for real. But Thomas just took that bitch. But well, Saints, it's been fun. It's been fun, but we'll see you later, my nigga. Signing off, boy. That's crazy, man. I don't know. The Vikings are good. We need to lock down Diggs. I don't know. We didn't really lock down Julio. We didn't really lock down Julio. So, but we still won. So shit, Diggs is much lesser than him. So we just have to lock that up. We just have to lock that up. We just have to lock him up, bro. We really gotta stop Keenum. Little weak ass. Yeah, we gonna stop him. We stopping those. We stopping those. He don't seem to be really that mobile. Foles can be mobile, but he's not really that mobile. But I mean, he can be. That was crazy, bro. Shit, that man choked. Boy, that man going home. That nigga got his ass beaten in the locker room, bro. That's tough, bro. That's tough for you. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for the conference round. This shit was lit, bro. The playoffs have been lit. This season has been lit so far, man. Y'all guys can post your comments down below. What you guys thought about this, man? Leave a like if you enjoyed. Dislike if you didn't subscribe. I upload every single day except on Fridays and Sundays. And I finna be on the Bitch Dragon Squad. Bitch! Signing off that way, Dexter. Yeah. Shit. Fuck. It's gonna be wild. It's gonna be wild.
Everybody notice me.